Hey, what's up YouTube? Just going over the parts for my turbo kit that just came in. An update on what's going on. Alright, first thing we got here is the glow shift air fuel ratio. There's the gauge right there, harnesses. O2 connects sensor right there. And we got the went with the eBay boost gauge. I was gonna go with the matching, but I decided to go with the eBay boost gauge because it came with the manual boost control right here that I'm gonna use. Oh yeah, I also got the new camera set up also, so I'm running with that. Also come over here, the eBay oil feed, turbo feed line, oil feed, and oil return line. The connectors. And also with the valve springs right here. Or not valve springs, but valves. With some eBay valves right here. Mishimoto eBay valve. BC springs and retainers. Got the BC springs right here, BC retainers, the little stickers right there, 310cc fuel injectors. These are from the Honda Civic SI, H-Gen, going with those. I changed the oil catch can. It's an eBay oil catch can, and the one that came with the kit, I didn't want to run that one. There's all the fittings, hose, and also besides the turbo, before I get the turbo kit going, I also got a gasket set, serpentine belt, new timing chain, cylinder heads. I might switch up to ARP cylinder head studs. Also got this throttle body from the H-Gen Civic SI. I might port out my weaponer intake manifold to fit this to get a little more air in. Not sure on that though. Also come over here, we got the polyurethane bushings that I'm going to start running. And also got some fog lights that I want to install also on this. And that's pretty much it. That's everything that's came in so far. I have everything for the kit. Oh yeah, I almost forgot about this right here. Here's my oil return bung that's going to go in the oil pan. Believe that's everything now. That's it. Also already been running with the Honda Flash Pro. I've been running that for a while, just base mat for my cold air intake. And yep, that's about it. Gotta fix all the oil leaks first, then get started on the turbo build within the next couple weeks or so. I'll keep you updated.